How to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix your issue of your Meta AI not working on your device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So one of the reasons why your Meta AI is not working with WhatsApp may be because you don't have a good internet connection. So if check if you have a good internet connection or not. If you don't have it, just switch up to a network connection with a greater speed. That will help you to connect your Meta AI with your WhatsApp easily. So another thing is you need to clear the cache of the app. For that, simply go to the app info of the app. After that, simply go to storage, and here you can see clear cache option. Simply tap on clear cache. After doing so, you can do next step is just update your app. For that, you just need to go to Play Store and look for any update. If it is available, just go and search for WhatsApp on your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. After that, any update is available, then you may just update your app and get back to WhatsApp and try using it again. So the next thing is maybe the WhatsApp server is down, so that may be the reason. So you may just simply go to Google and see if the server of WhatsApp is down or not, because that may be one of the reasons. So those are the steps on how you can fix Meta not working on WhatsApp. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.